On the morning of March 11th, 2026, thousands of employees at medical tech giant Stryker received a chilling message. Shut down all devices immediately. Do not connect to the network. This was not a drill. A massive global cyber attack had just begun. Over 200,000 devices across 79 countries were wiped in minutes. This wasn't ransomware demanding money. It was a wiper attack built for total destruction. By exploiting Microsoft Intune, hackers triggered remote factory resets on company laptops, phones, and servers. In seconds, 50 terabytes of critical data disappeared. Soon, login screens around the world displayed a mysterious symbol, Handala. The group, believed to be linked to Iran, claimed the attack was political retaliation and warned, this is only the first chapter of a new war. Why target Stryker? Because their technology supports over 150 million patients every year. When healthcare systems go dark, the consequences can reach operating rooms and life-saving devices. In the digital age, cyber attacks are no longer just about data. They can become weapons. And the Stryker attack may be a warning of a new kind of war.